All right, so I'm going to be sharing how I get this look with my wavy, beachy, like super voluminous hair, just with a very simple, natural, no heat technique. Go ahead and like and subscribe for more, and let's get started. So first of all, I am just going to do my regular part. If you wanted to do, you could do like a center part, but I'm just trying to keep mine the way that I usually have them. And then I'll just kind of like go with the back of my fingers all the way through to make 2 ponytails. And then from here, I think the best way, if you want to kind of get more waves up here, is to at least do like a mid-length here, or like kind of in the center is where you would start your braids, or you could even start them up here. So I'm gonna do that by just quickly parting my hair into 3 and then start braiding them. It doesn't have to be perfect either, but you're just trying to get the waves in your hair. By the way, I did start my hair as it's like, I showered maybe like 45 minutes ago to an hour ago, and my hair is like barely damp. It's still like a tiny bit damp, but like not super. It's like, it's dried a while. So you want to make sure that you start your braiding once your hair is like mildly dry, but still like somewhat damp. And then at the end, I've got these tiny little rubber bands. So I'm just gonna put one on my hair like so. And then start the other one. So as you can see, it is kind of like awkward looking right now, but what we're gonna do is I'll show you what we do after. So let's do the other one. Okay, so again with the 3 sections. And just start your braid. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm trying to get mine at like a little bit of an angle. And we'll just continue on like so. So what I like to do now is I'm going to go a little bit further and I'm gonna put my hair up. Still go out, you wanna still do things, and even if your hair is kind of drying. In that case, you can just wrap your hair into like these little space buns and put your larger band like so. And then you've got 2 little space buns for now. So that way you can make them more even if you want. You can part your hair down the center if you want. You can bring out a bang if you have. Kind of wait for this to dry, and so I will show you what they look like after they dry. Usually it takes a day, but if you do this before bed, right before bed, like you shower, you let your hair dry a little bit to the damp state, and then you do this, you can actually sleep in them. And that way you don't really have to care what they look like during the day. But for me, since I did my shower just like in the afternoon, I've got a little bit of time before bed and I don't want to look like a completely horrible hairstyle all day. So I'm just gonna keep the little space buns, at least they're somewhat decently cute. And yeah, so I will show you what they look like after they have dried, which I'm probably going to just leave them on for the rest of the day, / possibly just sleep in them tonight, and then I'll show you what they look like. Good morning, everyone. So here I am going to reveal my hair. I did end up taking them off of the space buns last night and just kind of putting the braids up like that because it was easier to sleep. So here we go. So this is going to show you, now that they're fully dried, what they look like with this technique and how to kind of just give yourself a little bit of a wavy style. And it is super bright right now, like, but this is my favorite place to film, so that's why I'm still filming here, even though the sun is like really bright this morning. Actually, it's kind of nice. All right, so we've got the one, and then here we go with the second. And you can see why I prefer to braid up higher a little bit, because if you don't braid the higher areas, it won't come out. But I think it looks really cool. So that is the look. I'll show you a little bit more down here, and then I mean, if you wanted, you could like put some product in it, but I'm just gonna leave mine natural like so. And that is it. So now you know the technique, how you can get this look as well if you want to go for a very nice natural kind of like wavy crimpy look. Give yourself some volume, and yeah, feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video.